Okay, just got back from picking up some catamaran wheels for my next crazy project. Putting wheels on my jet ski. I think every jet ski should have wheels. That way when you pull up to the beach, you just roll that baby on up. So here's the axle that came with it. This axle is actually stainless steel. Very nice. Nice long axle. I'll probably go ahead and use that, but just cut it to the length that I need. And here's the pretty catamaran wheels. Got these off of Craigslist. And as you see, they are as tall as my knee. And very impressive. I can actually use them for my Zodiac too. Of course I call it a Zodiac, but it's basically a Achilles and a Carib. Okay, here's the unveiling. Added a tube to the middle chamber on my 16-foot Achilles last night, and put a block of concrete on top of it to on top of this board to hold the area flat. And I put a shopping bag and remove this concrete block.